If you are still directly throwing eggs into the water to boil them, then you are making a big mistake. Today, I will teach everyone 3 methods of boiling eggs that not only do not stick to the shell but also have a tender texture and retain their nutrients. Hello everyone, welcome to Jinmang's Life Tips. Method 1: Salt Method. First, we need to carefully inspect the surface of the eggs to ensure there are no damages or cracks to prevent them from breaking during cooking. After selecting the eggs, we prepare a basin of warm water. Adding an appropriate amount of edible salt to the water, the salt can serve as a disinfectant. Next, we add a suitable amount of baking soda, which effectively removes dirt. We gently stir it to mix well. Then carefully place the eggs into the water. Using our hands to gently scrub the surface for about 20–30 seconds. The surface of the eggs may have bacteria and dirt, and washing them ensures we eat clean eggs. After washing, take out the eggs and dry them with clean kitchen paper towels. Then prepare a pot of cold water and place the eggs inside. Starting with cold water allows the eggs to heat more evenly, preventing the shells from breaking due to sudden temperature changes. Finally, take a pack of edible salt and add 1 spoonful to the pot. The density of salt water is higher than that of plain water, which can prevent the eggs from breaking. Cover the pot and turn on the heat. Once the water starts to boil, start timing, depending on your preferred doneness. The cooking time will vary. Generally, 5–10 minutes is sufficient. After the time is up, turn off the heat. But do not take out the eggs immediately. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for an additional 3–5 minutes to allow the heat to evenly transfer to the inside of the eggs, ensuring the yolk is cooked more evenly. Once done, carefully take out the eggs with a slotted spoon and immediately place them in the prepared cold water for a 1-minute soak. After taking the eggs out, gently tap the larger end of the egg, as there is an air pocket there which makes peeling easier. Then we peel the eggshell. Let's take a look at the results. The egg whites are white and tender. The yolks present a beautiful golden color, and the overall texture is smooth and elastic. Simply perfect. The next method is even more convenient and easy to use. You only need a rice cooker and a paper towel. Method 2: Rice Cooker Method. Wash the eggs under clean water to remove dirt and grime from the surface. After washing, do not dry them. Next, lay some kitchen paper towels in the rice cooker. Once laid, wet the paper towels with water. The moisture from the damp towels is enough to generate steam to cook the eggs. Now gently place the prepared eggs on the wet paper towels without stacking. Then cover the rice cooker with its lid and press the cook button. Generally, the rice cooker will automatically control the temperature and time. When the towels inside the rice cooker are almost dry, it will switch to the warming mode. Once the rice cooker shifts to warming, we can carefully open the lid and use tongs or heat-resistant gloves to take out the eggs. Place them in cold water to cool for 1 minute. When the time is up, just peel the eggshell. Eggs cooked this way are also very tender. Go try it out. If you think the first 2 methods are not useful, you might as well give the electric kettle a try. Method 3: Electric Kettle Method. Pour an appropriate amount of clean water into the electric kettle. Next, gently place the cleaned eggs into the kettle. Here's the most crucial step. Be sure not to put the lid on the kettle. This is because most electric kettles have an automatic shut-off function. Boiling eggs requires continuous heating, so leaving the lid off can prevent the automatic shut-off. Start the electric kettle to begin heating. Once the water starts boiling, control the time according to your preferred doneness. If you want soft-boiled eggs, boil for 7 minutes. For fully cooked eggs, boil for 10 minutes. After cooking, immediately pour out the hot water. Add cold water into the kettle and soak the eggs for about 1 minute. Now, Our electric kettle boiled eggs are done. After peeling, take a look at the results. I made soft boiled eggs, so the inside shows a beautiful yellow, maintaining just the right creaminess that makes you want to have a bite. The materials required for this video are shown in the picture. If necessary, you can take screenshots and save them by yourself. Alright, that's all for today's sharing. I hope these methods are helpful to you. If you have any other tips about boiling eggs, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and follow for more practical life hacks.